Today we'll learn how to convert an image into a vector. For this, we've taken a black and white simple image from Google. Black and white images easily convert in vector. Exactly. First, select the image. You will see Trace Bitmap option in Property bar. Click on it. Then go to Outline Trace, and then go to Detailed Logo. A box will appear. Box left side, you'll see a preview option. You can check how your vector looks here. On the right side, under Settings, you'll see Detail and Smoothness options. Adjust them according to your image to get the best result. Once you're satisfied, click OK. Now your image has been successfully converted into vector form. Now select your image. You'll see that the vector has been separated. You can delete the original image now. Select the whole vector and ungroup it. If there are any unwanted parts, delete them too. You can add some colors in to make it attractive. Choose your desired colors and start filling. And that's it. Your vector is ready. Comment below if you get stuck anywhere. We're always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and keep practicing with us.